Hello children. Fractions and decimals. Starting with the first question for today. Which is equal to 6.45? Now here in the question we are given a decimal number, that is 6.45. And in the options we are having different fractions. We need to find out which of these fractions represents our decimal number. This is 6.45. There are two ways to convert this into a decimal. What is the first way? Write the number as it is without the decimal point. Then for the denominator, first write 1, and after the decimal point we are having 2 digits to the right. Yes children, we are having 2 decimal places. So after 1 we need to place 2 zeros. 645 by 100 will be our fraction. And another way to write this is the whole number part, that is 6, will be written as it is, and then write the decimal part as the numerator divided by, again what will be the denominator? After 1 we have to place 2 zeros. Why? Because in the decimal given we are having 2 decimal places. Understood children? If you want to write it in the form of an improper fraction, it would be 645 by 100. If you want to write it as a mixed fraction, it would be 645 by 100. The whole number part will be written separately. Now from the given options, option C, 645 by 100 will be our correct answer. Okay. Next question 2. The model below is shaded to represent the number 1. Yes, all the blocks of the given square are shaded. It is completely shaded, so it represents the number 1. And each of the following models is shaded to represent a decimal number. Again, what do we have here children? We are having 2 models of the same size and also of the equal number of blocks. We have to first find out what fraction does this model represent and what fraction does this model represent. If we count the shaded blocks of this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 columns here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows. So 7 into 10, 70. This shaded part represents 70 blocks. Then we have 4 more blocks. So 70 plus 4 becomes 74. What is the number of shaded blocks here children? 74 blocks are shaded in model 1 divided by, what are the total number of blocks? We have 10 rows into 10 columns. So 10 tens are becomes 100. 74 by 100 is the fraction that represents our model 1. In the same way for model 2 we are having 16 shaded blocks divided by 100, that is the total number of blocks. So these are the fractions representing model 1 and model 2. Now if 2 are added, what is the sum? 74 by 100 is for model 1 and 16 by 100 is for model 2. What are they asking? If the decimals are added. Now from here we can proceed in 2 ways. The first is we can add the fractions as it is. This would be 90 by 100, and then finally convert this fraction into a decimal. In the denominator we are having 2 zeros. So in the numerator we'll place a point after 2 digits from the right. 0.90 will be our answer, or else this 74 by 100 becomes 0.74 plus 16 by 100 becomes 0.16. Now when we add these two, our answer will be 0.90 children. So either ways the answer is 0.90. Option B is our correct answer. Next question 3. What is 13.73 rounded to the nearest tenth? 13 0.73 rounded to the nearest tenth, that is the 1/10 children. If the question mentions nearest rounded to the nearest tens, it means this one which is in tens place. But here the question says that rounded off to the nearest tenth. It is nothing but rounded off to the nearest 1/10. If you look at the place values of the given decimal number, 7 is in 1/10 place, 3 is in 1/100th place, again this 3 is in ones place. These are the place values of the given decimal number. If you recall, how do we round off a given number to the nearest 10? We look at the digit in the ones place, and if it is less than 5, then we round